Always surprises everybody. All right. We are making classic bananas Foster. We're gonna go ahead and add our butter to the pan. Light brown sugar, ground coriander, a little splash of vanilla. I think one of the really amazing, surprising notes flavor-wise in this is the ground coriander. It has this like undeniable, familiar flavor of breakfast cereal that I think you're gonna pick up on. It's amazing inside the sauce. Because Hestan NanoBond cookware is 400% stronger than traditional stainless steel, it'll hold up to everyday cooking. It's also non-reactive, it's dishwasher safe. This will be your new absolute favorite cookware. So we're gonna let that start to bubble. All right guys, we have our beautiful bananas here. We're gonna drop these in cut side down. All right, so we're gonna cook this for about 2 minutes just to let the bananas start to soften. And now here comes the fun part. You wanna take the pan away from the burner and then pour the sauce right on top. Hestan cookware can hold up to 1,050 degrees of outside temperature. And as soon as all the alcohol starts to burn off, you are finished. So I have a quart of good vanilla bean ice cream. I'm just gonna drop this right with a little bit of pressure behind it so you kind of get that kind of puffy ridge. All right, 3 perfect spears. And then we're gonna finish this with more just chopped pecans right on top, a little crunch, a little texture. And I think you got one of the greatest authentic American desserts, and I think you're gonna love it.